welcome to North Carolina. I'm Jim. On this week's episode with Touring and Trails, we go to the Bushwacker Boil in Hot Springs, North Carolina. And we're gonna have a pig roast. We're gonna maybe get out in that river, and we're just gonna have a good time with 25 other Bushwacker camper trailers out here. So let's get after it. You never know who's gonna stumble by over here, so I got my friend Brian here, DIY Outdoor Life. I know you already know his channel because you're all subscribed, but for the one or two that are not, you got to check this guy out. Everything solar, this guy is brilliant about, and he's probably the one person that I know camps more than we do, which that says a lot, man. This guy, he is the Bushwacker.
That I need to get a job.
Oh man, no, camp more. But Bushwacker Godfather, I'm telling you, because this guy has fixed and changed about anything you can imagine with these campers. He's my go-to guy anytime I have a problem, whether it's AC, leaks, whatever it might be. So it's pretty amazing.
Well, I appreciate that. I've learned more from the Facebook group and other channels like yours than I've ever taught. So it's an amazing community. It's really, my advice would be to come to one of these gatherings.
Yes.
You get to hang out with all these folks. Maybe you've only seen them on the Book of Faces,
right?
But great people. It's really fun to check out other people's channels and exchange stories from the road.
Absolutely. Well, Brian, thanks for coming by. We really appreciate it,
guys.
And we'll see you down the road.
Hold on, leave that on.
Oh, Touring and Trails, look at that. You can get one too. Come see us. So they're open to more than just Bushwhackers. You've got this Mighty Light Inc. Sheldon, Washington. Look at this beautiful camper. Got the pop-up on it. This thing is absolutely amazing. And it's purple. How can you go wrong with that? Look at the door. Look how this thing opens up. I mean, just use your imagination. How much fun would this be? I can't imagine the good times that you would have in a camper like this. And got a good little friend over here too, don't you? How long have you had this?
2 years. It took me a while to get it tweaked. I just painted it last month.
Oh wow!
This color that I wanted. Special ordered the color because I knew what I wanted.
You did, and it's beautiful.
It is.
And when you bought it, was it already in this good a shape, or did you have to restore?
I didn't have to do much to restore it. It had a little bit of, the door was a little misaligned. So I had to have somebody help, fiberglass person come in. It's all molded fiberglass.
Okay.
Totally molded fiberglass. But there was one strip of wood to mount the hinge.
Yeah.
So the one strip of wood that was rotten, and that made the door, because the previous owner kept just putting in longer screws.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And not solving the problem, which was rotten wood.
Exactly.
So I had a fiberglass guy do that before I painted it, and everything else is pretty good.
Well, you have something very unique. Have you ever seen another one?
I have not
seen
one. I know that they exist.
You do, because you have one. You've done some research, I bet.
Yeah.
So
they're only manufactured in the 80s in the state of Washington.
Wow.
And then the company went out of business.
Okay.
So if you Google Mighty Light, you have to put Mighty Light Space Master.
Space Master, okay.
Another company took over the Mighty Light name after that one went out of business. And you won't get the Mighty Light. You'll get some other furniture company. But, yeah, I did the see the interior if you want.
It's beautiful.
But, yeah.
Now we can see it from here. Look at that.
It's just enough for my puppy and I.
Absolutely.
Well,
Well, thank you for sharing your beautiful camper with us.
thank you.
Yeah, I heard you just smacked one on the road, so we're ready to go, aren't we?
Yeah, so hard he came in a bag.
It came in a bag. Ah, that's sweet. Fired up.
Fire in the hole.
But to give him and Liz just a round of applause. I know so much of it is easy to see, but the behind the scenes is not. They came up, they scout different places. They're coming up from Florida to actually put, Crocs on the ground to see, the best places to camp. Not only is he cooking all day, but he's hauling the gear to come here. There's so much that goes into this, and he's really working for months for this. So it's an awesome opportunity to be in his presence and to just be very grateful for him and Liz. So thank you again.
Very nice. Just like Mom. So I'm the one guy at a Bushwacker rally that if I see a square body, I'm gonna stop by and look. And this is an '89 K5 Blazer, and it is beautiful. Nice blue. I mean, I don't even know where to begin with it, but four-wheel drive. He's got it set up right. The paint looks great. He's got a tonneau cover for it because it's been raining all weekend, but finally was able to take it off so he can enjoy the freedom with it. Beautiful truck. If you know about the '89s, they're fuel injected. That's a lot of fun. He's had this truck for 24 years. Lucky enough to hold on to it. So my dad had an '89 Suburban, and it wasn't a four-wheel drive, but it was a pretty cool rig. He owned it for many, many years, and actually my sister had it for a while, and so did I. Not to mention he's got a wonderful Bushwacker. And it's got the nice big tongue box on it. It's actually an extended tongue. That's not factory. It's got a nice side box on it. Got boxes up on top. So just beautiful all the way around. This guy's done it right. He's got a lot of tasteful mods. This nice to have outside. He moved his water to the outside. Inside a galley, he finished up what Braxton Creek cheaps out on. Very nice countertop. I mean, just really did this right. Little things like putting a magnetic holder for the knives. I mean, he's drove 1,000 miles and those knives haven't moved. So I took out the fridge, put some drawers in here, so that's really helped out. Just make things a lot more user-friendly. So if you're like me, I'm gonna spill it all over the place and he doesn't worry about it because it's right there. What you got, girl?
Shrimp, sausage, potatoes, Brussels sprout.
You want to try some of them Brussels sprouts?
Yeah.
Let me know if it's
crab macaroni.
crab macaroni.
The wizard made it. The Wizard of Mod. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Great balls of fire, yes. Happy birthday, Tom.
Way up there, birthday boy. Every year we've celebrated his birthday.
Wow.
We forget to get anything.
All right.
That's the chocolate cake. Bring it out.
Happy birthday, dear Tom. Happy birthday to you.
Well, that's going to do it for this week's adventure. Met a lot of new people,
We did.
making a lifetime of memories. And hey, we can't wait to go do it again. Thanks for coming along. Where to next? Tune in next Thursday to find out. But until then, like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop in a comment, and we will see you
Down the road.
down the road.